Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. Good morning. Today we are talking about coffee. Yes, coffee and anti-aging. This is the coffee scrub. Okay, did you guys know that coffee is a great anti-aging product? Just listen to this. What does coffee do on the skin?
According to Teen Vogue, when a coffee scrub is applied in a circular massage motion, Arabica says the caffeine and motion together stimulate blood flow, which can help diminish things like cellulite, stretch marks, and acne.
That's what we want to hear, isn't it? Okay, so I didn't know coffee did so much to the skin, so I thought I would put a coffee scrub to the test. I'm actually going to I know this is going to sound weird, but I'm just going to clean like half of my body, half of my face with this coffee scrub in the shower. Come back out. I've just woken up, just so you guys know. This is what I look like when I wake up. You guys can see all the red pigment in my skin. Like I'm oily. But we're going to see if this actually does, if it does, like, if I feel something instantaneously with this. Like, if I scrub half of my face, half of my body, do I feel the difference? Is it an instant difference in my skin and my quality? I don't know. I'll be back in a few seconds and let you guys know whether this is actually good or not. This one here is Organic Feelings, made in Los Angeles. It says it's a coconut, it says coconut right there. The coffee scrub. This one says it has organic coffee, grapeseed oil, olive oil, a few oils in here, macadamia nut, vitamin E, which are other great benefits. But the main ingredient is coffee. So I'm going to go ahead and try this right now. I will be back in a few seconds and let you guys know whether coffee scrubs are really worth it or not. Okay guys, so I'm thinking that I actually have to wash my body first because obviously this is not supposed to this is not a soap. And it says to grab, to dampen skin, and then to grab 2 handfuls and then massage in circular motion all over your body. So I'm going to go ahead and wash my body like I normally do in my hair, and then I'm going to open this bad boy up and try it. It smells like a bag of coffee. Let's see what it looks like. It looks like coffee. Oh shit, shoot. Sorry. Didn't mean to curse. I said shoot instead of, the other word. So it looks like coffee. Interesting. Okay, so I'm going to do it on this side without the mole. I remember that because I have a mole on this side, so we'll remember. Wow. So it's not like smooth. It's very gritty. And it feels like it's really scrubbing. And actually, look at this. It looks like it's turning my skin really red. More red than it normally is, if you guys can see if I move this. You never know, maybe it will tan half of my face or something. That would be funny. Not. Hey guys, I gotta close my eyes when I'm doing this because obviously I don't want it on my eyes. So I'm gonna wet it a little bit more, see if it gets like more smooth. Nope. This is actually quite abrasive. Like, this is like a true, honest, like, this is a scrub beyond scrub, because it really scrubs. Give me a rinse off. I almost feel like I have to rinse off in cold water because it's like I've scratched my skin so much. Thank God they put like a little bit of oil in it because I think the oil kind of soothes the skin immediately because you're scrubbing so much and it's so look how red my shoulder and right here are in comparison to this side. They're both red, but this is obviously much redder. That oil is definitely a necessity. Okay guys, so do you see a difference? This is the side of my face that I actually did the scrub. And if I'm looking in my monitor here, I really just by looking, just taking a glance, it really doesn't look that big of a difference. But now, when you get really close up, like right here on the side of my nose, compared to on the side of my nose, let me go ahead and zoom in so you guys can see the difference. Okay, so I'm zoomed in. This is the side where I used the mask, the coffee mask. Look, what the heck is that? That was a coffee grind. Okay, completely clean, right? What do you think of my pores? They look pretty darn clean. Now go on this side and check this out. Can you see it as much? So this side right here seems a lot more clean, like it actually got in there and scrubbed all that sebum off. And then this side over here actually looks like it still has some sebum on it. I don't know why you could, I guess I have to get a better camera, but sorry, I thought you guys would be able to see. But if you're comparing one side of the face to the other, obviously this is shinier because it has a little bit of oil in that scrub. But I don't really see like a huge difference. Let me go ahead, besides the actual like scrubbing and getting in the pores. So when you're zoomed in that close, do you see a huge difference? Tell me. I don't know. You guys let me know down below. I'm actually going to keep on using this this scrub just because I think it really did kind of get in there. And oh, see, oh my gosh. Obviously, it's very messy. But it really super exfoliated my skin. Like, it almost felt like it was too abrasive, but then like the oil kind of helps soothe the skin immediately. So I'm going to recommend, if you do this at home and you make your own scrub mask, your own coffee mask, definitely put some oil in there because I think it is a necessity. I can't even express that enough or emphasize that enough, because it scrubs so hard, it does feel like it is just kind of almost like ripping on the skin. I know that sounds a little bit harsh, but it's kind of like how it feels. Now, did it leave my skin looking like it was all ripped up? No, it did not. So I really don't see that big of a difference, but I do know that it did clean my skin really good on a different level of clean. It just scrubbed. And I almost feel like because you're scrubbing and your skin turns so red, because in the shower, when I was scrubbing it, you could see the redness of my skin, that my skin turns so red that I know that the blood flow comes up to the top layer of the skin, kind of plumping your skin. Now, puffiness, I don't know. I didn't really have too much puffiness around my eyes before I went in. But I think it's worth giving it a shot. I didn't feel that it does bring up the blood flow a lot because you are being so abrasive to the skin. But please put a oil in, a coconut oil or something in your coffee scrub before you do it. I will post this link down below to this coffee scrub if you want to try it, or some other ones as well. But while you're down there, if you could please give this video a thumbs up, hit the little subscribe button and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.